Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I want to tell you how will we create a AI video in 5 minutes. Now let's start. In the URL type Google Flow. Then you will click on first link Google Flow AI Creative Studio for video. Now your websites will be loading. Then you will click on new project. Workspace will be loaded. Then you will type the prompt here so that your video will be generated. You will take your prompt from ChatGPT, or you can take any prompt from the Google. Write the prompt for video creation. Eight seconds. And I will paste here. After that, click on enter. You will press enter. Now you can see that. Yeah, would you like me to kick off this one video generation costing 10 credits? Now approved from my side. AI videos creating with the help of this prompt. You can see that in this picture. After that I will show the result in the end of my video. Now the result is here. You can see this video. See this video on the full screen. Then I will click on download option. Download 720 pixel. Now this is the clear result. This is the clear picture. This is the clear video of this prompt. You can see the result. You can create AI video in 30 seconds with the help of Google Flow.